Hello again. Today we're going to talk about how to make a World of Warcraft macro. You start the process by logging into your character. Once you're there, you can either press escape or select the computer at the bottom of your screen. Both will bring up the little options menu, and you want to select macros from the options menu. Once you have done that, you'll have your create macros menu up, and you have two tabs at the very top. General macros, which will create a macro for any character on that account, or your specific macros for that character. It'll actually say the name specific macros. In this case, CodeMonkey specific macros. The process is the same for creating a macro in either one. The only difference is that general macros are all characters for the entire account, and the character specific macros are only for the macros that you want assigned to that character. Once you select the correct tab that you want, you'll select New. You'll type in a friendly name. This has no relevance to the macro itself except how you want to refer to it, the name of it. We'll actually call this one Yelling a Bear. And then you'll be able to select an icon to match and associate with the macro. It doesn't matter which icon you select. This is just for your reference so you know what the macro is quickly as a reference point. So you select one, it'll highlight the object that you've selected, the image. Once you have the image selected and a name selected, click OK. You'll be able to see that a macro has appeared in the selection box. As you notice, there is 5 boxes by 3 boxes. So altogether between the general macros for all characters and character specific macros, you could have 30 macros assigned to one character, or available to any one character, I should say. Once you have it, make sure you highlight the macro, and at the bottom you'll see where it says enter macro commands. You'll type in the macro itself here. Say yelling a bear. Once you've typed in the macro, but you don't have to save it or anything like that, you just simply mouse over the image icon that you selected at the top and you drag it to somewhere on your bar. You can feel free to close the create macros window now, and if you select the macro, it will do whatever it says. So I did a say yelling a bear, and as you can see in text, I now yell a bear, and every single time I press the button, it does that command. You can do it for text, you can do it for actions, you can do it for nearly anything. There's nearly limitless choices for creating a macro, and they can do a lot for you. I highly suggest that you look and Google for macros on World of Warcraft. You can also visit www.hohaguild.com, as we have an ever-growing base of available macros to use. Thank you. Talk to you next time. Bye.